Kelly Simon works for Texas Parks and Wildlife. She's an urban wildlife biologist, which means her job is to ask one very specific question.
How does human habitat affect wildlife habitat? And how can we coexist?
And since March, another question which keeps popping up: with more humans cooped up at home, are more animals returning to the wild?
The truth is we don't know yet, because you can't really, you can see an observation here, an observation there, but it really doesn't make a pattern until you see it over time.
There's just not enough data for a definite answer, but Kelly says it's worth considering. Trails are now more popular than ever.
We're coming more frequently actually in our urban green spaces. We're really using our urban green spaces effectively. In fact, people really like to use their urban parks, especially when they're trapped at home.
And if you find yourself on the water, chances are you might run into some critters too.
When you're kayaking, you typically see more wildlife than you would if you're hiking along the side, because you got the intersection of two different environments, right? You've got the water, which is very important. You've got the bank habitat or riparian habitat, which is going to be completely different from the upland habitat.
But whether you're on water or on land,
we always advise people keep wildlife wild wherever they are, whether they're in Texas or in Yosemite National Park.
in Bastrop, Carlos Garcia, Spectrum News.